How are you today? I hope it will be so good. Today we got a math session and today we're going to talk about the magic square. What is the meaning of the magic square? Magic square means some number in the equation which is hidden or missing and you'll find it. And to find it, we will work together to find it. We will use addition and subtraction to find the missing number. KG? Now let's look to the board. Now KG, look with me to the board please. What is this? This is a magic square, which is no number here, which is a missing number, which is not. I cannot see any numbers here. Okay? Magic square. Then I can find here minus. Oh, by the way, what is the meaning of the magic square? Magic square means a missing number, a hidden number, some number which I cannot see, it's not here. To find this number out, I must work to find this number. Okay? To work, to think, to find this number. Okay? First type of the magic square equations. When I find the magic square at the first of the equation, then I find this sign. What is the sign, KG? This is minus signs. It's minus sign. Okay? Magic square, minus. I'll turn it into plus. Directly think with me. I'll turn it into plus. Okay? Let's say the concept together. Magic square minus will be plus. Once again, please. Magic square minus will be plus. So, when I find a magic square at the first or at the beginning of the equation, then I find the sign of the minus. Okay, I'll close my eyes and directly I'll write with my pencil plus. Once again, when I find magic square minus, I'll close my eyes and then I'll write the sign plus. And I solve this equation as addition equation as a plus equation. Okay, let's see some examples to solve this kind of this equation to know how to think about it. Look with me, for example, I put here number 2 and I put here number 3. Let's think together. Let's read first the equation. Magic square minus, I said before, when I say the magic square, I say magic square minus will be plus. So I return it into plus. I return it into plus directly. Close your eyes and write plus. Let's read it once again. Magic square minus, return it into plus. 2 equals 3. Okay, how to solve this one? Magic square minus 2 equals 3. Please, I said before, I'll solve it as addition equation or with the sign plus. I write here plus these two numbers and I'll add these two numbers together. Can you remember how to solve an addition equation? Yeah, I can remember the concept. Addition means add things together. Addition means put things together. So I put 2 with 3. Okay, these two numbers which I got with me. 2 plus 3 equals. You can write the equation or you can just solve it all. Okay, which is the bigger number here? 2 or 3? Think with me. Which is the bigger number here? 2 or 3? I think 3 is the bigger number. So let's say the concept of the addition. Addition means add things together. To solve the equation, put the bigger number in my mind and the smaller number on my fingers and count after. Okay, which is the bigger number here? It's 3. So put 3 in my mind. And which is the smaller number here? It's 2. Put 2 on my fingers and count after. After 3, 4, 5. Let's solve it once again. Which is the bigger number here? 3. Which is the smaller number here, 2. You will solve it as minus or as plus. I'll solve it as plus. So 2 plus 3 equals, with the bigger number in my mind, 3, and the smaller number on my fingers, 2. And count after the bigger number to find out the result. After 3, 4, 5. So here the equation. The result will be 5. I put 5 here, and I say, baby bobbity boo. This is the equation. I found out the result, and now it's my turn to find out if it's true or not, if it's right or not. Okay? I make the equation as what it was, and I'll read it from the beginning. Look with me, KG. Read with me. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let's think together. Yeah, minus means take away. Minus loves the smaller number. So which is the smaller number here? I'll hide the equation. This one, sorry, the result. And I think which is the smaller number here? 5 or 2? 5 or 2? It's 2. So I'll put 2 in my mind. And I'll count to reach the bigger number, which is 5. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, how many fingers you got? I get 3. Let's see here after equal. Yeah, it's 3. So your equation is correctly right. It's correctly right. Now, KG, let's look at another kind or another type of the magic square. Here, I found the magic square at the beginning or at the first of the equation. Okay, what should I do? I look to the sign. Look here with me to the sign. What is the sign? It's a plus. Yeah, so how should I solve it? Now think with your mind to know. We said before, magic square minus will be plus. Okay, the rest of the concept, magic square minus will be plus. I return it into plus. Anything else, it's gonna be minus. Any kind else, but this kind will be minus. Anything else, I'll solve it as minus. Let's say it once again. Magic square minus will be plus. Anything else, I'll solve it as minus. Once again. Magic square minus will be plus. Anything else, I'll solve it as minus. Please, for the last time, magic square minus will be plus. Anything else, I'll solve it as minus. So let's work on this one to solve it. Magic square plus, I'll return directly to minus. Let's read the equation. Magic square plus, no, I'll return it directly into minus. 4 equals 7. Let's think together. Let's think together. Magic square, and here I'll solve it as minus. I'll write minus here. 4 equals 7. KG, can you remember with me when I solve an equation of subtraction? At the beginning of the equation, I must put the bigger number before the sign. I must put the bigger number before minus. So which is the bigger number here, 4 or 7? Of course, it's 7. I'll write 7 here, minus, and the smaller number, which is 4, I'll write here and equal. Let's think together how to solve it. 7 minus 4 equals. Minus means take away. Minus means take away. Minus means take away. Minus left the smaller number. Minus left the smaller number. So put the smaller number in my mind. Which is the smaller number here? 7 or 4? Just 4. 4 is the smaller number. Put 4 in my mind and count to reach the bigger number. I count from 4 to reach 7. Put 4 like this in your mind. Don't forget to do this. Okay, and count after 4 to reach 7. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you tell me how many fingers you got? Yeah, let's count these fingers together. 1, 2, 3. So you got 3 fingers. You will put them here. First of all, right here, number 3, the result. And then I put 3 here. Okay? To make sure if it's right or not, we will do this. We will remove anything we have just changed, and we will work it to read it once again. 3 plus 4 equals. Okay, the sign, it's a plus. We will solve it as plus. Plus loves the bigger number. What the bigger number in my mind, which is 4, and the smaller number on my fingers, which is 3, and count after 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, the result here is 7. Excellent. You have solved all the equation with the correct way. Okay, KG? Now, let's look to the third kind of the magic square. What is this one? What is this one? I can see here a sign before the magic square. There is no magic square at the beginning. No, it's the sign. Okay, it's plus. And here, it's minus. Oh my God, can I find the signs before the magic square? Yes, it's right. There's no need to be scared. It's okay, KG. Plus, minus, magic square, plus or minus magic square equals. We said before, magic square minus will be plus. This is the only case which I will change minus into plus. Anything else, I'm gonna solve it as well as minus. So when I find magic square, then I find plus, directly I'll return it into minus. When I find the sign first like this, and then I find the magic square at the second place or at the second position of the equation, it's okay, it's the same. I put minus here, I return this sign into minus, and this is minus, I solve 2 as minus. And now, KG, let's see some examples to work on. Okay, let's read this equation to solve it. 1 plus magic square equals 9. I said before, when I find just magic square minus, I'll directly, when I close my eyes, and then I'll directly return it into plus. But when I find magic square plus, I return it into minus. When I find the sign at the beginning, like plus magic square or minus magic square, I'll solve it as minus. I'll solve it as minus. Once again, please, I'll solve it as minus. So let's read this equation. 1 plus magic square equals 9. So let's try the equation to know how to solve it. I said I'll solve it as minus. So I said before, KG, when I solve a subtraction sum or subtraction equation, I will put the bigger number for the sign minus. So which is the bigger number here? 1 and 9? Of course, it's 9. 9 minus 1 equals. Now the equation is ready to be solved. So minus means take away. Minus of the smaller number. Which is the smaller number here? 1 is the smaller number. So put the smaller number in my mind, which is 1. 1 in my mind, and count which is the bigger number. Then count how many fingers to write them here. Then count how many fingers to write them here as the result. So put 1 in my mind as the smaller number, and count reach 9. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many fingers you got? 8. Count them once again. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers you got? I got 8. So I put number 8 here. Okay. To make sure if this equation is right or not, what should I do? I write here 8. What should I do? I hide the number which is here after the sign equal, and let's solve the original one. Let's solve it together. 1 plus 8 equals, it's a plus here, put 8 in my mind as the addition loves the bigger number, 8 in my mind, and one of my fingers, and count after 8, 9. So it's correct. The result here is 9. Okay, let's solve another one, please. The last one. I put these numbers here. I put these numbers here, and now it's my turn to think. Please read the equation first. 9 minus magic square equals, K, we said before, KG, anything. But this kind of the magic square, I return it into minus and I solve it as a subtraction equation. So let's write the equation together. 9 minus 8 equals, minus magic square equals 8. I put 9 here as it's the bigger number, then I put minus, then I put the smaller number which is 8. So minus means take away. Minus, look, the smaller number. Put the smaller number in my mind. Which is the smaller number here? 8. Put 8 in my mind and count reach 9. Put 8 in my mind and count reach 9. After 8, 9. So how many fingers you got? I got just one finger. I put number 1 here and I put 1 here. To make sure if the result here is good, it's correct or it's right, what should I do? I hide the number here after equal and I'll solve it once again. 9 minus 1 equals. Okay, minus means take away. Minus love the smaller number. Put the smaller number in my mind, which is 1. 1 in my mind, and count reach 9. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers you got? I got 8 here after the equal sign. Now, KG, let's revise together what is the meaning of the magic square. Magic square, it's the hidden number, some number which I cannot see. It's not here, it's a missing number. To find it out, I use my magic word. My magic words, okay? First of all, I see the position of the magic square. I can see here magic square at the first or at the beginning of the equation. Magic square, please KG, use my magic word. Magic square minus will be plus. I return it to plus. So magic square minus will be plus. Okay, and I solve here the equation as addition, as plus. I got 3 times, I got 3 equations. So these 3 equations, I solve them as minus. As magic square minus will be plus. Anything else, baby boo, it's gonna be minus. Magic square plus equals, I return it into minus. My plus magic square equal, I return it into minus. Minus magic square equal, I solve it at the end as minus. Don't forget to use your magical words, baby boo. Thank you, KG, for watching.